Welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy and project number 3 from the April 2023 paper pumpkin kit, which is this one here. So I have my pieces out to build this. We need the base, just the plain white card base, and we need the balmy blue kind of fade here, and then we need some of these really beautiful flowers, and we're going to do our stamping. So again, I'm going to pull in my little tester piece and we're going to ink that up, stamp to make sure it's good. It's nice and clear. That's perfect. Okay, and I'm going to stamp this down, and it needs to go into the middle of this. So I'm just going to stamp this down. Sometimes with the lights, it's hard to see if I'm stamping straight, and that's a little crooked, so I think I'm going to redo that one and maybe lean in a little bit so I can absolutely make sure that I am straight. There we go. Okay, that's better. Nothing like having a wonky sympathy card. Okay, so the other thing we have to do now is we have to take this piece and we have to use these dots again. So I'm just going to ink them up. And we stamp them onto this piece here. So we do this 3 times. Just trying to decide which way up this is, and it goes like this. So we're going to stamp another set down here, ink it up again, and do another set up here like this. Okay, I just left that under there in case I stamped over. I didn't want to get shaded spruce all over my work surface. Okay, so what they're telling us now is I need to take this piece and this piece, and I need to put adhesive dots on the back. And of course, there they are right there. Okay, so I need to put 5 adhesive dots here. So, okay, that came off in my finger. And so we're going to put that down like that right there. And then pop that off. Then we need, this one's almost easier if I just peel the backing off of here. And then of course when I want to do it, it doesn't work. There we go. Okay, so I need to put 5 adhesive dots on the back of that piece, and I just need 2 on here. So we'll put 1 and 2. Okay, I'll peel the back of that off. There we go. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my card, and if your card hasn't folded down, we'll just take the edge of your block and just run the edge of your block along, and that'll flatten that right out. So I need to put this on here, just centering it, making sure that I'm kind of equal distant on the 3 sides, and if I'm equal on the 3 sides, I will be good on the 4th side. So there we go. And now I'm taking this and I'm sticking it down like this. Okay, and then I need to take, I'm putting dimensionals on here. So 1, 2 dimensionals on there, and I'm taking my ribbon or my string, and it looks like it's a big loopy bow with the ends coming out. So I'm just going to tie it as a bow because I think that's going to be the easiest way to manage this one. So I'm just going to pull that tight. So we've got our big loopy bow. Okay, snug that down, and this needs to go onto one side of the, okay, I'm just going to trim my ends off. There we go. I'm going to stick this one on here like this. Okay, and then this goes like this, right in line with the top here. Like that, covers up that one flower a little bit. But there's our loopy bow out the side. And then we're going to take this flower, we're going to put dimensionals on it, and they're calling for 3 dimensionals. So 1, 2, and 3. And then we're going to place it right over top of this one, so it gives it lots of depth there. Okay, so it's going to go right over top like that. And then we're putting a little bit of bling on here, just a little bit, not a lot. So we're going to take this one, and the large one goes right up here. Okay, and then we've got 2 small ones. Wow, these are jumping like Mexican jumping beans here. There we go. I'm probably aging myself with that because I don't know if we even have those anymore. And there we go. So that is our 3rd project using elements from the April 2023 Paper Pumpkin Kit. So thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for alternates.